Come test drive the 2024 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.